Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel once again. I am Dr. Smoke, the CEO of ETM Ad Initiative and the Director of Socials of NEF Club. Okay, this is our final video on Microsoft Excel, and it's one of the most interesting parts of Microsoft Excel, and it's called Pivot Table and how to analyze your data and other formulas in pivot table. Okay, if you haven't watched our previous videos on Microsoft Excel, please try and do so you could see how far we've gone and you can relate it to our current video. Okay, so what's pivot table? Pivot table helps you to analyze your data. Okay, let's take for example you work in a company or you work at ShopRite and you want to analyze the whole sales of what has been happening in ShopRite, or who has been working hard, or who has sold the most amount of things at ShopRite. Pivot table is the best concept to use for that particular section. Okay, so let's go straight to our work. Let's take for example, this is the order details for ShopRite March 2020. These are all the things they bought at ShopRite March 2020. We have the order ID, the date, the city, the state, region, the salespersons, people that have been helping Jumia to sell, ShopRite, the product name, the category, their prices, and the quantity of things people are going to buy. So let's go straight to analyzing. If you want to analyze your data, all you need to do is highlight it. Okay, highlight everything. Okay, so after highlighting, you click on insert. When you click on insert, you click on pivot table. So it will ask you, do you want to put your pivot table on a new sheet? And that's the best thing to do. So you say okay, and this is the template you see when you click on pivot table. Okay, so let's start comparing. Let's compare the salesperson and the category of things they have sold so far. So you click on salesperson and drag it to the row label. Okay, and it will show you the list of people that sell in the company. And let's take for example, we want to compare it to the category of things we have to put it in the value section. Okay, so this is a summary. So this is Dami. Dami has sold 6 categories, Hanifa has sold 4, Kosh and Dosh has sold 5. So let's compare let's go back to our data and compare these things. Okay, so look at the categories. We have beverages 1, we have sauces 2, we have candy 3, we have soups 4, and we have dried fruits 5. And okay, yes, 5. Okay, how many categories do we have? Beverages, sauce, candy, soups, and dry fruit. That's 6. Okay, so let's go back to our pivot table. So Dami is the only person that has sold all the categories. She has sold the whole 6 categories. And if I has sold only 4 categories, that means she has not sold up to 6 of the total categories we have. Okay, so that pivot table has analyzed everything for you. It has told you how many data this person has sold. So let's go back and check if it's true that Hanifa has sold only 4 categories. Let's go back and check if it's true. So let's filter. If you follow our previous videos, you know what I mean by filter. So let's go to data. Okay, I think we need to highlight. Click on filter. Okay, so let's click on salesperson and let's check Hanifa's details. Or let's check Dami's first. Since they said Dami sold the whole 6, let's check Dami. So it's true. Dami has sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dami has sold 6 categories of things in the company, so they are correct. So let's check another person. Okay, let's check another person. They said Hanifa sold 4, right? So let's check if it's true that Hanifa has sold 4. So let's filter it and see. So you can see her category just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how it works. All pivot table does for you is to summarize your work. Okay, to give you the full details. So let's compare the salesperson and what the person has sold so far. Okay, let's see unit price. Okay, now this is all the salesperson and what they have sold so far. So if you look at it clearly, Dami has the highest amount under her because she has sold the highest category of things, and so she has the highest amount under her. Okay, and let's play with some of the things we have learned so far. These things are not arranged, these amounts are not arranged, so you could just highlight them and sort them. Under data, you click on sort, you can say Z to A, that's highest to lowest. Okay, see, That means the highest person is $411. Kosh and Doge is 4292. So what this means is, let's go back to our work. Okay. So this is Dami. Dami sold Egusi for $78. Dami sold candy for $62. Dami sold another candy for 56. So when you sum up all the things Dami has sold, it's equal to $411. That is what this pivot table has done for you. It has just summarized the whole data for you. Tell me that's not interesting. Of course, it is really interesting. Okay, so this is how you work a pivot table. You can toggle between anything. You can compare anything to anything. Let's take for example again. We want to know if you want to remove it from this section, just drag it and take it out, drag it and take it out, drag it and take it out. So let's compare categories and the prices for each category. Okay, so which category has the highest amount? Candy is the one that has the highest amount. I mean, people buy candy the most. Okay, so this is what it is. So if you want to get simple analysis, all you need to do is come to pivot table and compare. Okay, so the beauty of this pivot table is you can also insert a chart into it. So let me remove these guys again. Let me remove this category. Let me remove the sum. Let me compare salespersons and the amount they've sold so far, unit price. Okay, and this is it. So we have seen this before. Dummy is the highest, and so and so. So let's put it in a chart. In our previous video, if you don't know how to insert charts, make sure you watch our previous video and you see how to insert chart into your work. So I'll click on insert. Okay, then I'll click on bar chart and I can pick anyone. Okay, so this is it. It has shown us that Dami has sold the highest amount. Looking at the chart, Dami has sold the highest amount to the company. Okay, so if they are giving all this data, let's say you work in a company or you work at ShopRite and the CEO is looking for who to analyze the whole company stuff for him, and you happen to be the only person who can analyze data, oh my god, you're going to get extra cash to your salary. Trust me, it's so gonna be interesting. So, and they give you all this scattered data and they say, please analyze this data for us and come and present it to us. So all you need to do is use your pivot table to analyze the data and copy it to PowerPoint, which is the next training we'll be having. So please make sure you learn a lot, make sure you practice, and trust me, what you are learning, it's going to make a difference in your life. So we've come to the end of our Excel training. Please watch the previous training, ask me questions if you don't understand, follow our YouTube channel, subscribe, and be a different person. Cheers guys, and have a wonderful evening.